Having a daughter is overwhelming because this world sometimes isn't fair to girls. Girls have to fight from the very beginning, crushing stereotypes and ignoring the people who tell them what they can and can't do, solely based on their gender. As a parent, you are responsible for teaching your daughter to break the glass ceiling. Girls need to know certain things to succeed and become the woman she is destined to become. You can make or break your daughter's spirit. Yes, there is a lot of pressure, but we're here to help. Here are the 3 things that you need to teach your daughter to empower her as an individual. The world is going to tell your daughter she is not good enough. From a very young age, she is going to have ads and propaganda shoved down her throat, telling her that if she just changed A, B, and C, she would be beautiful. You need to teach her immediately that she is beautiful just the way she is. Understanding her worth is vital to her future. Those little girls who develop self-worth do better in school, have stronger careers, and explore healthier relationships. Little girls must understand that their worth is not determined by the way they look. Being skinny with the most up-to-date style never equates to mattering more. So how do you encourage your child to have confidence in who they are and believe that they have divine worth? Well, you need to emphasize the importance of accepting who they are. Encourage them to appreciate their unique qualities, strengths, and individuality. Reinforce the idea that they don't need to conform to societal expectations to be valuable. The best way you can do this is by modeling that behavior. If you are continually talking about the way you look, the way other women look, or making mention of people's outer appearance, your daughter will listen to what you have to say. She will notice that if you are basing somebody's worth on their outer appearance, that she should too. Another positive thing you can do is introduce her to positive role models that she can mimic. A positive role model will be their own person and is confident in being an individual. Most importantly, provide your daughter with unconditional love. How is she supposed to love herself and know she is worth something if her parents don't love her? Show her daily how much she means to you and how valuable she is in your life. Express your love for your daughter consistently and make it clear that your love is not contingent upon her achievements or behavior. Emphasize that she is valuable simply because she exists, and her worth is not tied to external factors. Your love doesn't have strings attached, and she should never feel like she has to be something different to have your approval. The next thing you want to teach your daughter is that her voice matters. She needs to know that she should never be silenced. Her opinions are important. Society sometimes tries to hush women, especially in male-centered environments. She needs to have confidence in her voice and share what she believes is right. Teach her not to be intimidated and to feel empowered to allow others to hear her words. Never tell your daughter that she needs to be quiet when she is just trying to share her thoughts. She deserves to be heard. Encourage your daughter to express her thoughts, opinions, and feelings openly. Teach her that her voice has power and her perspective is valid. It's crucial to create an environment where she feels heard and respected. Teach her how important her words are and how they can be used for good, but they can also be used to hurt. Help her learn how to use her words to make the world a better place. She has an impact on this world, and her decisions to speak up can change her life. You can teach your daughter that her voice matters by actually listening to what she has to say. Actively listen to her. Respond to her. Provide your daughter with a safe space for her to openly communicate about whatever she'd like to talk about. Never shame her for opening up to you and sharing what she would like to share. Respect her voice and allow her to tell you every facet of her life. This open communication starts as a little girl. If you are unwilling to listen to the little things, then there is no way that your daughter is going to come to you for all of the big things. If you're showing her that you don't care about what she has to say, then she's not going to be empowered to share her voice with the world. And the third thing you need to teach your daughter is that failure is a stepping stone to success. Nobody goes through this world without enduring failure. Failure is a part of the process, and it's okay. She shouldn't be afraid of failing. She should be afraid of giving up. It's important to instill a growth mindset by teaching her that mistakes and failures are a natural part of the learning process. Setbacks are just opportunities for amazing growth and improvement. Take it as a learning opportunity and not as a time to feel defeated. When girls are too afraid to fail, then they might not try to achieve their dream. Encourage them to take risks, try new things, and learn from both successes and failures. When you help them adopt this mindset, they will develop resilience and a positive approach to challenges. If you're interested in teaching your child to feel empowered, then it's important to teach them that they are worth it, that they have an important and strong voice, and that failure is a part of everybody's life path. We all want to raise strong daughters who are ready to take on the world. The most important thing you can do as a parent is let them leave your side, knowing that they are loved unconditionally, without any type of strings attached. With this knowledge, they will take on the world with strength, courage, and confidence.